last night.
Yeah.
Montana. He's like super cool. He's you like these new Supras?
Yeah, they're alright. Don't touch it though.
Wow, this is insane.
Fucking racing down there, you're like, oh shit! Good up to 6 minutes.
The owner thing about some of the owner thing. But maybe that's why I missed it on the other things. But instead of something. But
Hey, even though that shit's killer. It's like 10 o'clock.
Dude, this is crazy. It's a lot of red though.
This is the winner.
It's a lot of red
Oh,
though.
I like it, man. It doesn't have too much on the outside, and that's all on the inside. That's good. They see you leaving your Civic. There's gonna be like that Dave Chappelle skit. Be so horny.
When you come for the pizza instead of the cars. Anyways, as you guys couldn't tell already, we're at the if you guys couldn't tell, we're at the Sheepey race facility. They're hosting a Supercar Saturday, and just came out here with Chris and see some cars, grab some pictures, and yeah, look at this thing. Even crazier, exhaust setup, twin turbo, wild.
How's that on the exhaust?
I have no idea. This thing is crazy. All these supercars, and I still come back to my EG. And Joe's Miata. Yeah, I love my car. What's up, everybody? So earlier in the day we were at the Sheepey race Supercar Saturdays. Right now I am going to the car wash to meet up with Monito. Tomorrow we have an Enjoy Life Drive slow meet that we're attending, and finally I found some time to wash my car, so we're just gonna go wash our cars, and you know, we'll go from there. So we're just gonna go wash our cars and just get ready for tomorrow's meet. So I'll bring you guys along, and you know, we'll make a vlog out of it. out here at the car wash. I guess Monito ran over a cat. That sucks. And I think his well, hopefully his lip didn't get messed up. I'm telling everybody, you wash your car with a brush. Ooh. No, hell no. It's just the windows got all the letters and stuff, but just trying to cheer my boy up. He got his lip got messed up, so just trying to cheer him up. So while Monito's finishing up his car, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car. I don't think last time I filmed when I washed it, but I'll see if I could get you guys mounted up, and I'll just do a time lapse. That way you guys can see how I wash my cars at these coin washes. Okay, since my car is ceramic coated, you're not gonna see me use a sponge or anything like that. Pretty much just gonna rinse the car, foam it down, rinse it, and I'm just gonna air dry it, and that should take care of it. I'll probably do it in the time lapse. So hopefully one of these tiles can support the GoPro, and should look pretty cool. So there you have it. Don't worry about the hood. The hood isn't ceramic coated. That's getting re-cleared, but pretty much dry. There's still little beads of water, but for the most part the paint is dry with just air blowing it. Ceramic coat will do that, and it'll make all the water run off, and that's what it's supposed to do. Does he enjoy life drive slow mobile? I gotta find Alex and say what's up to him.
Relax in the trunk, please.
Fuck the tronca ese.
Right in your face, bro.
Bro, I fucked one up this one.
You give me the fucked up one?
No, this is the fucked up one. Look, it's past the.
Wait, what?
It's like I fuck with it. Which one? Hold up. No, it's this one. Here.
Where do you fuck that?
I peeled it and it lifted up on me.
Oh,
see that?
Oh yeah.
So I was like the. Yeah.
I was supposed to get this back in November. Nah, bro, you
Nah.
never came by. I'm like, nah.
Yeah.